Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It is another delicious yummy recipe. Today we are making fried yam, fried fish and tomato sauce. If you want to see how I made this lovely tasty, delicious goodness, please stay tuned. For this recipe, I'm using 1 plum tin tomato, diced white onions, maggi, dry Nigerian chili. You can use fresh habanero pepper as well. Now another white onions for blending the tomato, thyme, curry, salt, my yam and my mackerel fish. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is add salt inside my fish, and I am going to also add dry chili inside this fish as well. Okay, this is optional. You don't have to if you don't like spicy food. So a bit more salt. Now I'm going to rub everything together. Now I'm going to make sure that the fish are coated very well with the sauce. Okay, now I might just set them apart. Now those ones at the bottom, because they are the very bottom, I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt again on them, a tiny bit of chili, and just massage them. Okay, that is done. I'm going to set this aside until I'm ready to fry the fish. You don't really have to leave it for 40 minutes or 1 hour. I'm just gonna set it aside until I'm ready to fry the fish. Okay, after setting my fish aside, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut my yam. Okay, so I'm basically going to cut it into half like this, and then I'm going to cut it like this. After I have done that, I'm going to then slice it like this. Now I'm just trying to get to that let it look like chips. That is what I'm trying to get, but you can decide however you want to cut your yam. It's not really a big deal. So yes, this is how I'm going to cut all the yams. Okay, so guys, after cutting my yam, I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix it. Now I forgot that we're going to be using vegetable oil, but we'll be using vegetable oil. So I'm going to add the vegetable oil in the pot. And I'm also going to add vegetable oil in the pan. So I am going to use the pan to fry the fish, and I'm going to use the pot to fry my yam. So I'm going to allow that oil to heat up a bit before I add my fish and my yam. So guys, I am going to check if the oil is hot enough. Okay, I'm just gonna drop one in there. I might just leave it for a few more seconds. I don't think it's hot enough. After a few more seconds, I can see it bubbling more. I am going to add my yam. And in this oil I am going to add my fish. So guys, I'm going to add my fish in here. So guys, I've added my tomato inside the blender. I am going to add my onions. I'm going to add my dry chili, because I'm going to blend it all together. And I'm going to blend this, okay? So I am done frying my yam and fish. I'm going to fry my sauce now, so I'm just adding oil inside the pan so I can use it and fry my tomato sauce. Okay, I'm going to just let that heat up for a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add my onions. And I'm going to just let that heat up for a few seconds. So I'm going to add my blended tomato now. And I'm going to allow the tomato to fry until it has dried out, okay? So guys, it has dried and it has fried very well. I am going to add seasoning inside this tomato sauce. I'm going to add maggi. I'm going to add curry. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to add salt. Now I'm going to give this sauce a few seconds and it is ready, just to allow the seasoning to simmer together with the sauce. So guys, this sauce is ready now. Everything is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now. Okay, it's ready and it's smelling wonderful in here. So yes, we are done for today's recipe. I'm gonna take it out of the stove now. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is absolutely looking so yummy and so divine. I can't wait to dive in, guys. So yes, we are done for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.